Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to repair a flex hose leak. Shut off the water supply and drain the circuit immediately before you touch the hose. Work in a well-lit area with a bucket and towels ready. Identify the leak location, then check fittings and clamps first. If the hose body is damaged, plan to replace it. Keep replacement parts and tools within arm's reach for a smooth repair. Gather the right tools before starting so the job moves quickly and safely. An adjustable wrench and pliers handle most fittings, and plumber tape ensures a watertight seal. Bring a replacement flex hose sized to the fixture and spare clamps or compression fittings in case originals fail. Lay out towels and a bucket to catch water, and use a utility knife to trim damaged ends cleanly for a better connection. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more repair guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading manuals and step-by-step instructions effortless, whether you are on the workbench or the couch. It fits in a toolbox or bag, and its adjustable light helps in dim spaces. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by isolating the leak and testing the connection points under low pressure. If a fitting is loose, tighten it and wrap threads with plumber tape, then slowly restore flow to check for leaks. For visible hose damage, cut out the bad section or replace the entire flex hose with a matching length and connector type. Finish by checking all joints, wiping surfaces dry, and monitoring for several minutes to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.